Hi everyone, it's Deb here and I've got another unboxing. This one is the April Kitaholic Kits. I've had a little sneaky look through it all, but so I'm going to share all the kits with you and we'll go through it together. So first up, the mixed media kit, and we've got the Kaiser Mist, and this one is orange. They're iridescent spray inks. So that one's orange, and this one is apple. Oh, and you can see the sparkle in the bottom of that. That's a nice green. I'm not a green person, but that one looks really pretty. So does that orange. So we got them two. We did get another Katie Mixed Media mini stencil. So that is what you can make with the stencil. So let's have a look at what the stencil looks like. Okay, so that is the stencil this month. Oh, for April. Yeah, this video should be going up in April. I'm getting myself all confused. It's the last day of school today, and school holidays start tomorrow. So it's mine's gone all jumbled already. So April's mixed media stencil. So that is real fun. Lots of little circles and a few lines in that. Lots of fun there. And we also got a stamp in our mixed media kit, and this is from the Misty Mountains collection from Kaiser Craft. So lots of words: live a big life, you are enough, you got this, you don't have to be perfect to be amazing, it's the little things, be your own kind of beautiful, be bright, be happy, be you. So they are, sorry if I wasn't in focus, some pretty good quotes there, so I can see that working for Project Life actually. Them stamps. So that's the mixed media kit. On to the embellishment kit, and we got a roll of washi. If I can get it going. That's a nice pattern too. So that is the washi we got. I'm sorry, it's quite an overcast day today. It's been so hot, and then the rain's coming in for Easter. So we got a whole roll of washi. We've got now, I do believe that most of the kits are from Pink Fresh Studio, and the collection is called A Case of the Blahs. So a lot of that is heavily featured throughout all the kits. So we've got the enamel dots from that collection. There's 84 in there. Lots of dots there. We also, oh, what's this? Pack Your Bags Collection Kaiser Craft embellishment pack. Oh, this looks interesting. So, oh, they're two little pockets. Isn't that cute? So we've got, let's have a look. These are all transparencies. Wow. These are really cool. So we've got tickets and tags. Sorry, I was lost for words then. Oh, we got a compass there, a bit of a grid, and I'm guessing you're going to have to use something permanent on there if you're going to write on them. So that is the transparencies, and on the other side of this little pocket, isn't that so cute? Good little storage pouch. So we've got all these. Wow, there's a lot of tickets in here. So let's pull one out and have a look. So we've got, oh, nice. Let's see. So there's some of the tickets you can add a bit of your own journaling to. Others are more embellishments. That is fun. So we got they're like the normal size tickets, and I believe, yeah, this one looks like it's a bigger one. If I can get it out. What we saw on this day. So these ones are bigger, and you can journal on them. Sorry for the bus going. So I'm sorry about that, but my storage on my iPod was full and it cut out, but I was talking about the tickets and the transparencies that were in the cute little pouch here, embellishment pouch from Kitaholic. So next one is the puppy stickers from Pink Fresh Studio, a case of the blah. So there's 35 pieces there, so lots of fun with them. And then we've got these are the, I'd say they're called the chipboard stickers, I think. And I don't know how many pieces are on there, but there's two sides to it there. Sorry about the glare. So frames and words and all embellishments, some more words and embellishments there. So that is the embellishment kit. Okay, onto the pocket page kit, and I'm sorry if you can hear the rain in the background, and we've got a lot of frogs on our property, so I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background. Of course the frog's going to get louder. It's always something, isn't it? Alright, the pocket page kit. So we've got a wooden flourish pack from Kitaholic, and these ones are arrows, which is so cool. Oh, the rain's getting heavier now. April acrylic word by Corporate Creations. We have, I might just shut my window. Okay, hopefully that might make it a bit quieter because that rain's getting heavy. Some enamel dots, black, yellow, and kind of a pinky red there. We also got some puppy alpha stickers in green from Pink Fresh Studio, and they are perfect. Look how small those letters are. I mean, that's my thumb next to the M there. Let's actually, where is, okay, they are tiny. Like the E is not even 1.5 centimeters. That's how small they are. And they got the numbers down the bottom too. So that is really cool. We also got the cardstock stickers, 251 pieces in here. Wow, that is cool. Let's have a look. Ah, it's got an alpha on it. Oh, that's nice. That is cool. I love little alphas like that for my pocket pages. So labels and tags and words, and that is really cool. And then we get the 6x6 papers to cut up ourselves to make our own project life cards. So I'm going to give a quick flip through here. And if you haven't seen already, up on the Kitaholic's channel, I have got a video there making DIY project life cards, and I'll be sure to link that below. I always do link my playlist on Kitaholic Kits in my description, as well as to Kitaholics on Facebook and their webpage. That is really cool. Cut all them out. But yeah, I did make some DIY project life cards, and that is up on their channel. And if you're lucky enough to be a subscriber to Kitaholic Kits, you would be in the subscriber group and would have seen the DIY embellishment videos that I made. So I think there's 4 up there now, 4 or 5, and I think I've got 1 or 2 more to still put up in the subscribers group. So yeah, if you're a subscriber to Kitaholic Kits, you get things like that. So all these fun papers to make your own project life cards. This paper is quite thick, which is really good. So there is that. And then we get the exclusive die cuts from Kitaholic Kits that I design and Steph cuts out for everyone. I'll show you a few of them. So you get lots of labels in the pocket page kit. You've got words and hearts, more labels, lots of labels. And I did put a few little design a few little Easter things to go into the kits, but not too many, like a very happy day, things like that. So there's lots of little, oh, the little borders turned out so cute. Lots of things to help you document your project life or pocket pages, and a 3x4 card in with this month too. So that is the pocket page kit. Okay, so lastly we've got the main kit, which is the scrapbook kit. So I'm going to save them ones for last. So we've got a whole heap of wood veneer from Corbett Creations, and I really love April's wood veneers. Like, look at that little light bulb there, that is so super cute. So we've got lots of stars, and there's a few words in a border. That is really cool. And we also got from Corbett Creations acrylic pieces in all different colors, and they are stars. We got another stencil, and I absolutely love this one. It's called Collage. It's from Kaiser Craft, and I just love the randomness of this stencil. That is so awesome. Love that. We've got some phrase stickers by Pink Fresh Studio, and there's 74 pieces in that. So lots of words. The ephemera pack, Pink Fresh Studio Case of the Blahs, 58 pieces in there. So look at that. And we also got an alpha chipboard by Kaiser Craft, and you get another little pouch too, so that's a bonus. We've got 2 pouches, and they are awesome storage things. So there's 3 sheets in here. You get 3 uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. Or is that number 3? I don't know. I see what it means. You get 3 of each. 3, yeah? I don't know. There's 145 shapes in there, and you get numbers as well. It's number 3. It's not 3. Alpha chipboard number 3. Okay. So that's a good little addition, because you can paint them any color. Use your mist, but if you do use your mist, I'd be putting some gesso or something on chipboard before you do it, because you want that vibrancy of the color to show up on here. It'd be good to put an undercoat of something on them first. I'm sorry for all the cars going past. So we're going to quickly go through the papers, and we have got here, these are all from Case of the Blahs. So what's this one called? This one's called Blah. This one's called Meh. I can't say it. Meh. I don't know. Lots of fun patterns on these papers. This one's called Oops. Some cool little houses on the back of that one. This one's called Messy, and you could either cut these out or you could keep it. Oh, I like that though. That is so cool. This one is called Flawsome. Got that fun wonky border. Oh, and you got a scripty side. That one's, I like that one too. Imperfect. I think I would use that side more than that side. I don't know. I've surprised myself sometimes. This one is called Chaos. I think it's that side. This is really good quality cardstock. Oh, I do like that side. So this is great for boys or girls. This one is called Awkward. You can make, I don't know if that's picking up on the camera, a little pattern there. I'd see this, this would be awesome for like teenage boys and girls. I know my son is like about to hit the teens now, so using all the cutesy stuff, I can't really get away with it so much anymore. So this is just like perfect for him, teenage boy, almost teenage boy, and even my daughter. Scrapbooking her, she's 16. It's just that the perfect kind of graphics and that to scrapbook a teen. So, but you could also still scrapbook your little ones too. Okay, so we've also got, oops, try not to wreck the bag because I do like to keep these bags. The exclusive die cuts. So we've got some labels, camera, more labels, words, some little 2 by 2 inch squares, more labels. And I didn't even check if I was even in camera. A little border, a tag, and you get some words and some little tiny embellishment. You can read that. They're like little faux flare type thing I designed, but I made them small. So that is it for the scrapbook kit, the main kit. So I'm sorry if I sounded a bit rambly in this video. I will link down below my DIY project life cards, Kitaholic Kits, where you can find them, my playlist to Kitaholic Kits, and also I have my last video was my scrapbook storage, how I'm storing my kits currently. So I'll link that up below too if you haven't seen that. Shows me packing my new kit, which was March kit, into my new storage for kits that I'm currently using. So that's it for me today, guys. Be sure to check out the links below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.